In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple chocolate peanut butter smoothie that will increase your energy levels, load you up for high levels of vitamins and minerals to sustain your appetite throughout the day. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple chocolate peanut butter smoothie as part of a regular diet, at least 1 to 2 times per week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy smoothie consists of only 6 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are a glass of low-fat milk, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, and 1 chocolate protein bar, and a glass of water. And when you have everything gathered, you can add all the contents to a blender and begin mixing until you have a consistent texture. This super simple and healthy smoothie drink is packed with lots of nutrients that is perfect for sustained energy levels to keep you going throughout the day, while also helping to build on muscle. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it actually tastes. Get your day off to a great start, satisfy your appetite while leaving you feeling fully energized. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track, to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to get you started. Again, if you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.